Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to boot up from acronis to image ISO. So this is a 8GB USB stick and I've installed acronis to image ISO with a bootable USB. So let's get started. First plug the USB in and press on power button and keep on pressing F12. So I'm going to the boot menu. So if your laptop or computer has different boot option, press on it. So some laptops has enter and HP is F9 or F10. And for Dell computers is F12. So it's USB storage selected. So I'm pressing enter. Now it's showing to select multi-boot option. So unlisted ISOs. Now select arrow key. Boot acronis to image. Now use the top arrow button to go to acronis to image. It takes a while to load, so be patient. Now it's loaded. So as you can see, if you wanna back up your hard drive, you can back up from here. So back up my disk, and this is my system drive, and you select it and then click next, and then select your target drive, or you can recover files from your backup. So if this is your backup, you can select it and then click OK, and then follow the procedure. You can clone hard drive here. This is a pretty good USB drive to back up your data and clone any hard drives. Hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.